What is up, YouTube? Welcome back to the Old Farts Garage. This is going to be a quick intro and a quick little video because I need to hurry up and get this done before the heat comes in. Luckily, I got a break right now where it's nice and cool, normal 70 degrees. So I'm going to go ahead and hit the last paint on the doors. Once I paint this today, that red, which is the two-tone for the outside, we're done with the doors. It's all about just put them back together and mount them. But as for the painting and all the other bodywork BS I've done with it, we're done. Finally. Ugh, what a pain in the butt. Anyways, let me go ahead and get suited up. First of all, let me show you what paint we're doing and all that, and we'll get back to you. All right, so what we got here is we got Summit Racing Performance Red single stage paint. We got medium activator. I've had good luck with medium winter and summertime and spring and all that, year round. Got my global TCP cups, and we're mixing 4-to-1 right there, 4-to-1. All right, got my tack rag, got my mixer. Over here we got our American Icon clear, which again I'm going to be mixing one batch of clear, one batch of paint, and then we're going to go ahead and mix the two of them together and spray it. And we've been real lucky with that so far. I saw it on YouTube. I've even talked to some guys about it and everything. They said, yeah, you can do it, no problem. And you know what? I've had less orange peel, and I've had less of it, just about everything. It smooths out better because the clear kind of thins out the paint, so it seems like smooth out nicer. You know, like right here, I got my steering wheel the horn cap. See, look at that. There's like no orange peel, no running. It looks good. The glove box cover, my gauge cluster rim, the hinges, the nuts and bolts for that, the glove box frame, the tailgate locks, and we're using my Anocraft, the Drizzled D1. Okay, it's got a 1.5 on it. I practically sprayed the whole truck with that gun, and I've had really no problems whatsoever. So I'm not going to videotape inside the paint booth here because of, again, the lighting sucks because of the red roof. But anyways, we're going to go ahead and paint the outside red, which is part of the two-tone. All right, so when I'm done with that, I'll bring you back. Oh yeah, Performance Red from Summit Racing. All right. Like I said, that's what the whole truck's been painted, the red part, that is. So let's go ahead and look at that. That's an awesome color. I really like this color. Thank you, Summit. And the reason I like this color the way it is because it fits the theme of my truck. And that'll be a story for a different day. All right, y'all. So it has been a long morning. Oh, let me see. About a good 1, 2, 3, about 5 hours since I went ahead and painted the doors. The last paint job on the doors. Doors are done. They're two-toned, painted. They're drying and curing right now. And hopefully this weekend we'll mount them. Yes, we will. So let me show you. Hopefully the camera will pick it up okay. All right, so anyways, there it is. Red and white. That's my two-tone. There it is. Red and white. And as you can see, hopefully the camera will pick it up just good enough. there is like almost literally no orange peel. Okay, and again, I don't know if it's any, if it really helps any. Here, you know what? So anyways, there you have it. Hopefully the camera picks something up. I mean, granted, you'll probably, I'll have better video once we go to mount them, because right now I got to leave them in there in the paint booth, let them cure for a couple days. Let that, luckily it's like tomorrow it's going to be in the 3 digits, so it'll be nice and hot in there and it'll cure pretty fast. Yeah, like I was saying, man, that because of mixing the clear with the single stage together and spraying it as one, literally almost like no orange peel whatsoever. It laid down real, it just smoothed itself out, it went flat real nice. I mean, it's not perfect, it's not a mirror finish or anything like that, but again, it's not a show truck. I just painted it just to make it look good, just to clean it up for my daily driver. But anyhow, like I said, I'll give it, a couple days, and maybe I'll just wait till Monday and we'll mount it, the doors. So y'all have a good day and a good weekend. And like I said, once I get ready to mount them, we'll make sure we videotape it. All right. What's up, YouTube? Well, it's day something. Who cares what day it is? Not keeping record. But it's a good day today because I'm having my front windshield put in today. I have a gentleman coming over this afternoon, and he actually has a 63 of his own. So he knows, and he does basically just a classic window install, on installing windows and stuff on classics. He's the kind of guy that if you take your vehicle, your classic to a shop, they're going to call him to come in and put it in. So he's going to go ahead and do my windshield for me. Hopefully it will work okay. I mean, I trust it. I've seen his website and stuff, and like I said, he does nothing but classics, so he knows what he's doing. But anyways, also too, in preparation of that, I'm also gonna I gotta wash all the dust and everything off of it. I want it to look nice when he comes. I'm also gonna take down the paint booth and bring the doors back inside the garage so I could start putting the window channels and the wing windows back on it and everything, because Monday we're mounting them back on the truck. I mean, that's the goal. That's where we're at right now. And also, we'll take the doors out, and put them in, outside of the paint booth so you could actually see the color and everything on them. And hopefully it'll be nice. So let me get this camera turned around and show you what we're doing. Duct tape. I mean, I tried to seal the sides, but it didn't work. So, I mean, it did and it didn't. We got some of it, the majority of it though. Bet the neighbors will be happy they get this down. It is quite the eyesore. But for those of you who haven't seen my videos or know my situation, this is basically my paint booth. One of my paint booths. The other one's a little bigger, but just for the doors I put up the little one. But basically everything I've done paint wise with the truck and all has been done in these pop-up canopies. And one of them even got destroyed by the wind when we were having our windstorms and stuff during the winter. And I had to get a new one. So I bought a much bigger one. Don't worry about this later. Oh, there's my other mount. My other camera mount. Almost forgot where I left it. My other camera mount. Couldn't find it.